BMCO, Ram Thakuro, Umen Sobo, Orbinduo, Ikfayo, Holy Crosso, Kumulungo, Kuayobo, Bilonia,
Tini Tripura Board of Fiber Yagolo, Kanaka Tripura Boni President Hoite, Bomba Pulaya, J board subsumption last year of data room. Tam data tam Sangake, Zata board examination no, Bisbak Bangla script in a Bangun Sow. Tabu question of Zagasi, Bangladesh Yun Sow, Tino. Tambagingake, since board examination is even forcefully systematic babe. Nung Bengali script mang question paper print khai tongkha. Then obviously the more force klayu agi sa nung answer Roman script simay ani no site tong agi tibra board. That means nung systematically force klay nai siri tonu. A jaga si. Kintu student lokun dino mu chungya je Bangla script sinani. Only a choice kri freedom jeta fundamental rights tomani abonu ballot klay jaka. So bontam khage systematic babe textbook tabusan bagi systematic babe. Textbook print khake CRT same Bengali script kok borok another minority language department bo same Bengali script by print klayu borok tam khai ke bo systematic babe print khlai nai systematic babe data phuna nayu issue jagasi but student demand but all entire 30% demand khemen ke tamo what we call Roman script sung tabo Roman script inu thik no but it is sung joto the our script is auto consonant also use klaya. That means we have already accepted it. So now we know some kutong. Tabung nine some college in data around 99% university in examination rogobo. 99% students Roman script. Tamake actually the board examination tamang kanke problem kake systematic babe borok abono implement klai tongo systematic babe discriminate klai tongo klai nai abono borok proof klai na yutam proof klai na hinga ke je student rock borok Bangla sinayu ni amono proof klai na men borok kintu amaya a jaga si ama hake o je discrimination hide busu jorte kusuk nai nei di bage klai borok amon ke systematic babe klai tongkha borok no bujri maya klai nai tong confusion boron create klayu thane sungtam lukha secondary education hotin director Bor hoka CBSE chairman no je norok Roman regarding the use of Roman script and Bengali script for cover textbook sorry for cover question paper bas answer klaidani nung as dim fit norok nai din so nung Tripura button or here if you can ask them to answer in whether Roman or Bengali script why can you set up question in both Bengali and Roman script nung je answer si klaimanung saunga ke klaidani option jaka no Tangai question paper ke klaya. So these are borok systematically thingi tong mani. It's our education minister tong nai, our chief minister education nai tong department no. So overall systematic babe borok discriminate klai tong. So sungama budile nang nai. Tabu school level tam khai ke force klayu Bangla textbook Bangla klai force klai tong borok. Amuk klai mania. Sini language dikun policy kri koro. Boss script use klai nai. But systematically, borok use klai tong tabo. Hambai.